Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford Maverick XL. Coming in this nice velocity blue coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.5-liter hybrid engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the 4K tow package. Taking a look at the back here, we got tow hitch, rear park sensing, backup camera, mud flaps on the rear and the front with blind spot detection. And moving to the front, we do get that license plate bracket and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior. You got some storage here, more storage there. Floor mats, we do get under seat storage as well, which is pretty handy, with USB-Cs and a nice little hook to hold your gear down. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we do get manual seats with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. Got your lights, gas cap, and trailer brake all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 95 kilometers. We do have this vinyl wrap steering wheel. Toggle off your screen, you got your modes, well, drive modes, which do include normal, sport, tow and haul, eco, and slippery. Continue our look here, we have our voice and play forward, phone, mute volume, and cruise control. Looking here, we do get a digital speedometer, and we do get my view, trip and fuel, towing, status info, vehicle maintenance, audio, phone, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select, parking brake, traction, tons of storage with cup holders, more storage here, nice little phone slot right there, USB, USB-C, volume, play forward. You do get a nice comm screen right here as well, hazards, and max temp, auto hold. You got your vents here, storage below, storage right here as well. And looking at our main screen here, we got our audio, phone, settings, features and apps, and your climate controls at the bottom. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. You get little widgets on the side here, which is pretty handy. You can connect your phone right there. Settings, just your basic vehicle settings, software update, all that jazz. Features of the vehicle, such as your owner's manual, towing, and driving assist. And any apps you may download will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RA09891, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.